Today I'm going to talk about OCI Cloud Guard and what are the use and the concept and how to enable in Cloud Guard. So Gartner expert says that in 2025 most of the data centers will be moved to cloud, and also he states 99% of security failure will be the customer's fault with the configuration. So the Cloud Guard is going to become handy to help identify all the security postures or any threat. So what is Cloud Guard? Cloud Guard helps to get a unified view of all the security postures in OCI infrastructure. And Cloud Guard helps any new threats or detects any misconfiguration or identifies an insecure activity across the tenant and any malicious threat activity. For example, if you created a public IP with an instance, then it's going to notify in the dashboard there is a new instance one of the team member has created. So it gives you a security posture, and it provides the security administration in the console where you can triage and also you can automatically remediate or notify your administrators. So concept of Cloud Guard. The step one, what the Cloud Guard does is it examines the target, like it monitors for any security weakness and based on predefined checks. Once it's detected, the Cloud Guard step 2 will notify based on the alert we have set in the event to send a distribution list, and your admins will get the notification. The step 3, you can remediate it, you can auto correct or you can do a manual intervention to prevent any security threat. So for example, if you have any ports opened and which you don't want to, and if you have a remediation plan, if that port's open, Cloud Guard will automatically block that port. Or if you have any server built in public IP and you want to stop it, and you can automatically remediate that. And the terminology of Cloud Guard, it says number one, target. The target is we define the scope. What Cloud Guard checks is called target. So our target can be an instance or compartment, each workload. And detector. Detector is the checks the any threats in your target based on the predefined set of configuration. And responder is nothing but it takes a specific action based on the detector. So in a previous slide, we said it remediate. So the responder is the one which remediates. So it responds to the any threat detected by sending an email or blocking the uh, threat. So there are detector recipes. There are 3 predefined detector recipes, which is comes in default, and we can also set custom ones. And these are the 3. One is the recipe is for any configuration defect, the configuration detector rule will identify, and any malicious activity detector, that recipe like OCI activity detector rules will identify and notify us. And threat detector is similarly a recipe to find if any threat in the target, it's going to notify us. And few things we have to keep in mind before we configuring the CloudGuard. One is the legal requirement. For example, the reporting region must compile with all the legal requirement of the country before enabling CloudGuard. And disabling CloudGuard, if you disable it, all the customization and existing problem, including their history, will be lost. So you should be very careful before you disable the CloudGuard. And API calls, except the read, must be made on the reporting region. So if you have a Phoenix or you have Ashburn, so if you have enabled the in the primary region, the read should be done on the reporting region for any API calls. How to enable CloudGuard? So you log into your console and navigate to the identity and security. Underneath, you can see a CloudGuard page and click enable. It's that simple. So this is the page I navigated, and this is the button which you need to click to enable the CloudGuard, and you will have all the recipes by default configured. So I'll show the demo in coming once this presentation is done. And once you enable, what you will see after enabling the CloudGuard, this is an example which I took from other for a presentation. So you will see like a dashboard, what scoring, security score, what is the risk score, and what are the recommendation for your tenancy. And you can see if you hover over each the color like red, you can see high. If you click, it will show what are the problems. And also you can see compartment wise how many high threads are there, how many low, how many medium. So this is how it will look once you enable. But it will take time. After you enable, it takes few hours to capture all. It goes and analyze all tenancy target, and it will give you a dashboard. So it will take few, maybe if you have less workload, it may take few hours. If not, it will take more than 12 hours, depending upon the workloads and targets in your tenancy. Do I need to pay for CloudGuard? No, it's a free of cost, so you can enable. There is no charge. It comes inbuilt with your subscription. Let's dive into demo, and I'll show how to enable the CloudGuard. So I already connected to my tenancy, and let's go to identity and security, click CloudGuard, and this is where the enable CloudGuard button. So if you click this, so this is what it prompts. So it says to proceed the tenancy, you must have following CloudGuard policies. So if you click next, and which region? So my region is Ashburn, so this is my reporting region. So I will click that. And which compartment you want to monitor? So I want to monitor all. If you want, you can select your compartment where you want to monitor. So I'm going to give all. And these are the optional recipes, but I'm going to select all this. This is what I shown, the predefined Oracle managed. This is configuration recipe. This is activity. This is threat recipes. And once you click enable, it takes few minutes. Yeah, the CloudGuard is enabled, and go to CloudGuard. So if you see here, this is a tool. I'll stop the tool. Right now there is no score rating because this is a test environment tenancy. I don't have any workloads or any instance. So if you have in a real time, it will take a while to capture all the information, and as I shown in my presentation, you will see all the security score, a risk score, and what are the recommendations. So from here you can start drilling down and see your security posture and protect your tenancy. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.